In this question, we are talking about the graph is given. Calculate the approximate area of the shaded region in the figure by the trapezoidal rule. And using the division at x equals to 4 by 3 and also at x equals to 5 by 3. And this is the question under this topic 6.2 approximating areas with Riemann sums. And the trapezoidal rule would go something like this. So the sum or the area. So whenever we calculate it among the trapezoidal rule, so it's always the width. So it's going to be 1 by 2 times it's the width. So width of each thing has to be. So here we have exactly, we are talking about at 4 by 3 and at 5 by 3 there is a subdivision. So that means we are talking about 3 sub-intervals. So in that case, the value of n has to be 3. So we are kind of inserting 3 trapezoids. So that's what it means. So in that case, the formula would go something like b minus a over n multiplied by, it's going to be f of x naught plus 2 times f of x1 plus 2 times f of x2 and so on, and up till 2 times f of x n minus 1, and finally it would be just f of xn only once. Here we are talking about n as being 3. If n is 3 and here the value of a and b are 1 and 2. So in that case, the area would go something like 1 by 2 times 2 minus 1 over 3 into, here we have 4 different values. So one is, we have the x naught, the first point to be 1. We have the x1, the first subinterval as 4 by 3. Then we have x2 as 5 by 3. And finally, we have x3 as 2. So in that case, f of x naught. So if I talk about what is the value of f of x naught, f of x naught, okay, let me write it like this. So f of 1 plus, it's going to be 2 times f of 4 by 3 plus 2 times f of 5 by 3. And finally, we will be having just f of 2. So now these f of things values, we can find it by the graph. And the graph is given as f of x is equals to x squared. So if I say the graph f of x is equals to x squared, so in that case, f of 1 would be just replacing x with 1. So in that case, the area would be equals to, so if I simplify this one, this is just going to be 1 over 6. F of 1 is going to be just 1 square plus 2 times f of 4 by 3, replacing x with 4 by 3. So that's going to be 2 times 4 by 3 whole square plus again 2 times 5 by 3 whole square, and f of 2 is going to be just 2 square. Now, if I simplify this, I'll be getting the answer as 127 over 54. That is the reason D is the right answer for this sum.